Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So student, today we will learn difference between much and many. So most of the students think much and many both are same, but it's wrong, both are different, okay? So much is a quantitative word, okay? And many is a numeral. So much is used with uncountable thing and many is used with countable thing. Uncountable things are those things which we cannot count, okay? And countable things are those things which we can count, okay? Countable things, example, apple, cake, sandwich, clock, grapes, egg, carrot, watermelon, brinjal, burger, etc. Okay? Uncountable things are water, milk, flour, bean, sugar, salt, cheese, meat, tea, honey, etc. Okay? Much is used before uncountable things like much water, much blood, much time, much gas, much air, much experience, much liquid, much green, etc. Many is used before countable things. Example, many houses, many people, many mistakes, many eggs, many girls, many toys, etc. So, use much with the uncountable things and many with countable things. That's all for today. I hope you all have understood this. Thank you. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.